Building as we do in Washington, North Carolina, an area with over 200 years of furniture making history, has its advantages. We are proud of the exceptional expertise and experience possessed by the entire MJM carpentry team, as well as their unwavering commitment to meticulously handcrafting the interiors of each MJM. Building stronger, lighter, more capable performance yachts that consistently deliver industry-leading efficiency requires an obsessive focus on weight. Wood is an item that can add a significant amount of weight, and it's why we use it sparingly at MJM. All of our joiner work is handcrafted in-house. We don't contract out to any third party or order in finished kits. Our team creates the interiors for each MJM one by one. No matter the item, whether it be shiplap, cabinets, steps, drawers, or accent trim, they all start out as a hand-selected piece of stock. Here you can see a selection of woods that will soon become beautifully worked parts of an MJM. Some of the most common woods you'll see are the American cherry, teak, maple, and a combination of Wenge and teak for our soles. Taking the time to select the correct materials is just the starting point. Careful fabrication, building of substructures, assembly, dry fitting, sanding, and finishing are all essential stages. All frames, surrounds, panels, doors, and curved pieces are carefully created, sanded, and then finished to perfection. Here's an example of care in fabrication, taking the time to cut and hand fit the dovetail joints and drawers. Not only does it make a better, longer lasting joint, but it looks great as well. When all the elements are ready, the installation can begin with great care and attention to detail. MJM is known for understated elegance and beautifully light interior spaces that take full advantage of large windows, port lights, and hatches for plenty of natural light. From the classic looks of the below decks of an MJM 35, the pilot house of an MJM 3, or the stunning cabin of the MJM 4, the dedication of our carpentry team and their skills is always on display.